That is good, y'all. I ain't even finna lie to you. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to Life with Vanessa. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and y'all already know by that title, I am eating a seafood boil. Y'all, I got some crab legs, I got some corn, I got some potatoes, and y'all, also I am going to be trying this good looking sauce. Y'all, it looks so good. I have not tried it yet, y'all. This is COYA'S Cajun butter sauce. I'm gonna put the link to her channel down in the description box. Y'all, it is looking so good. It got all of the onions, and oh my god, it looks good, it smells good. So I'm ready to dig in, y'all. And y'all, it took me so long to get set up for this mukbang. So for these mukbangers out here, I know the struggle. I really do. Hopefully my food isn't cold, y'all. We are gonna first try it with, of course, some crab. Y'all, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time your girl posts a video. It definitely got some heat. Hold on, let me get a bigger piece. I just tried it with that little small piece. It's good. Oh yeah. That is good, y'all. I ain't even finna lie to you. Oh yeah. I don't even need that spoon. I don't even need it. Yeah. It's good. Yeah, this sauce is super good and super spicy. If you don't like spice, then y'all need to get mild, because this is spicy. This is on point. She did her thing on this. I'm gonna have to text her. I'm gonna have to text her and be like, girl, I need some more of this. I'm gonna need some more of that. Yeah. So let me tell y'all, it got like a sweet kind of taste to it, but also like a spicy, and then you can taste like there's all those good flavors, y'all. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's so good. Yeah, my husband would have been trying it with me, but he said he wasn't hungry, so I wasn't about to wait. I was not about to wait on him. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. Look at that. Look at that. Let me let y'all see that. Let me let y'all see that. And y'all, she said that she usually tell people to add chicken broth in it, but I added honey to mine, and it's so good. I'm gonna have to let my dad try some of this sauce, y'all. Shout out to Koya for sending me this sauce. It is wonderful. It's wonderful. Can y'all see it? Yeah, my nose is starting to tickle. I did not add no spice to my seafood boil, y'all. Usually I'll add like some spice to it, but since she told me, you know, people were saying it was hot, I'm like, let me not add no spice. Finally, a piece that didn't break. Finally. It make you dance. It make you dance. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Y'all, I had to just text her and tell her that her sauce was so bomb, y'all, because it is like when people got something good on their hands and they doing good, y'all, I have to let them know, because baby, it's so good. And y'all, if y'all worried about, you know, shipping, I'm telling you, she literally had my stuff wrapped up so good, and the shipping was so fast. Like, bro, you can't even beat that. Like, when you have a nice, you know, a nice person, and you know they clean and they sending out some good product to you, you know, you gotta give them their props. And this sauce is delicious, y'all. So I really recommend my girl Koya. Y'all go check out her channel. Y'all go buy her sauce, because it is the bomb. It is definitely the bomb. So y'all hear my kids downstairs, y'all. This wasn't a long mukbang. You know, I just want to get on her and try her wonderful sauce. It turned out wonderful. It turned out perfect. Y'all, please go check her out. Her link will be in my description box below. As a matter of fact, yeah, I might even pin a comment. And y'all gotta try her sauce. And it tastes like you can put this sauce on anything. Like, I'm gonna possibly try it with some chicken. I don't know. This might go good. This might go good on some fried chicken or something. Like, this is not only like a seafood Cajun sauce. Like, this tastes like it can go on different stuff. So, girl, I really appreciate you for sending me this, and it came so fast. Thank you so much, y'all, for watching. I really appreciate y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I am out. Peace with my little dirty fingers. Do the pretty girl, rock, rock, rock. Do the pretty girl, rock, rock, rock. Do the pretty girl.